Hello everybody! Today we are going to crochet super easy and super fast cowl. More you can see on the pictures and on my blog about it. It is easy cowl for beginners because we are going to use just chain stitch and half double crochet stitches. Also, I will show you how I'm working on this edge to make it look neat, and I like how it looks. Yeah. Um, for this exactly cowl, I was using red heart super saver yarn. It is a worsted medium yarn, 4-ply, and it has so it's acrylic and it has 333 meters per almost 200 grams. I was using 5mm crochet hook, and if you need you can use stitch markers for the edges. Other things I will show you in the video. So if you want to crochet with me and make this cute cowl, so let's get started. And for this cowl there will be also a matching headband, top knot headband, so you can find the description on my blog. Let's get started. In the last video I forgot to tell the size of cowl. So it is about 32 centimeters wide, and length was about 60. So it's 30, almost, let's say 30 and a half, so 61 centimeters length, and width 32 centimeters. For the cowl I cast on 52 stitches. So I'm going to cast on less just to show you. So I'm going to cast 12, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So I cast on 12. Let's cast for 14. 1, 2. So for the cowl you cast on 51 stitch. Then what I'm going to do, I just turn my chain, and here I see bumps. So I'm going to work crochet into the back bumps of chain. So as I'm going to do half double crochet, so I slip yarn over, I do yarn over, and then in the second stitch from the hook, in the back bump only, I make a half double crochet like this. Why I'm doing it? Because I want to get a perfect finished look of the beginning of my work, but then it will be easier to sew the cowl and it will look nice and neat. So let's go on. So yarn over, and in the back bump of chain yarn over, and in the back bump of chain. You can help yourself with a finger a little bit. Yarn over, and in the back bump of chain. This is the next bump. Yarn over, yarn over, and in the back bump of chain. This is just the first row. I like to start everything what I start this way, like when I'm doing blankets or headbands. And the very last stitch. So what I'm doing now, I chain 2, I make a chain 2, 1, 2. So if you need, you place the marker right now in this second chain, 1, 2, chain 2. You place the marker here. Now I'm going to show you what I'm doing next. So usually I would do the next, first of all, now we are working all stitches of the second row and all the next row, inserting the hook into the back loop only. So this one, this back loop, in the back loop only. This one, in the back loop only. But I promised you to tell about how I'm doing this nice H. If you look again, so I like how it looks, and it is important for the cowl here. So usually I would make a next half double crochet in the third stitch from the hook, but I'm doing it in the fourth. Don't forget that you have a stitch marker here if you need it. I will tell you why later. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going, oh sorry, yeah, we are doing half double crochet all stitches till the end. In the back loop only, in the back loop only, into the back loop only, into the back loop only, into the back loop only. So done. Now we make 2, chain 2, and again, if you need, if you think that you cannot see the stitch, so you just place the marker here in the second chain. You turn your work and work in the fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth stitch from the hook till the end. Half double crochet, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop and through the 3 loops on your hook. And I didn't place marker, but I know that this stitches this one, so 1, 2. So I make one more half double crochet, same in the back loop only here. That's why I said place marker if you need. I can see them, 1, 2. And again, what you're doing now, you chain 2. If you need, you place marker here. If you don't need, you just turn your work and make a half double crochet in the 4th stitch and work till the end. Yarn over. See, this is your last stitch, and you have one more here, 1, 2. So it's like invisible now, but if you turn your work a little bit like this, so you make one more half double crochet. So if you look later on, when you need a little bit more, if you look at this edge, I like how it looks. If you know another way how to do it, just do it. Chain 2. This is actually, that's all. This is how the pattern works. So same pattern. I will show you one more. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 4th stitch. Long. Let's do it one more time. And you think it's the last stitch, but it's not. So this one will be the last, this one. It's like always hiding. Yeah. And you continue working. When the length of your cowl reaches 60 centimeters length, it can be more or less, up to 70. It depends how wide you like. I don't like it to be so wide because I like my neck to be covered from wind or snow, so I like it to be more narrow. But it's still not that narrow. When you finish it, so you place two edges together, and what you are doing is you join them together, and what you are doing is you pick up, you see two chains, one of one edge and another one, this one, two chains. What you are doing is you pick up the first chain, front loop of the first chain and back loop of the second chain, and slip stitch. So you join together. One more time. You pick up the front loop of the chain of the first chain and back loop of the second chain, slip stitch. You're doing it. When you turn it upside down, on the right side, you will see nicely done. So the seam will be almost invisible. I will show you here what I did. Let me find it. It is here. So yeah, that's what you will get. You will get, this is a seam here, it's invisible. So you will get same chain like here. So all what you need is to pick up the first loop of first chain of front loop and back loop of second chain and slip stitch. The piece is a little bit small, but when you put them together you will see this chain. Yeah. Okay, I hope you like this video. That's all for now. If you need more explanation, you will find the tutorial on my site. Please check it and subscribe if you like it and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye.